This week in Sixth Traits, we're going to be talking about our word choice. And our skill this week is choosing words with care. Good writers choose words with care. They choose words that stand out and sparkle. Some of those words are strong verbs, and that's what we're going to be working on today. I have two sentences written here. The first one says, "The Tommy tugboat ride tilts, tips, and tosses us into the air." The second one says, "The Tommy tugboat ride moves like a boat." Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to decide which of these words are verbs. And remember, verbs are the action words. They are the things that are happening. So, in the first sentence, the ride tilts, tips, and tosses us into the air. Those are the verbs. In the second sentence, the verb is moves. Okay, so I want you to think about these two sentences and which sentence gives a clearer picture of the tugboat ride. The first one does. And why does it? Because those words tilts, tips, and tosses are three different types of movement that give us a good picture. The word moves just tells us it moves, but it's not as specific. So the first one gives us a better picture of what's happening. Those verbs sparkle. So we're going to look now at page 53 in your Sixth Traits book. And on page 53 at the top, it says, "Strong verbs make your writing sparkle." We're going to look at these pictures and we're going to circle the word that is the stronger verb for each picture. So for the first one, which one tells more clearly what you say in the picture? We have the word dance and we have the word twirl. Dance can mean many things. It can mean jump, leap, kick, but twirl tells us one specific thing the dancer is doing in the picture, twirling. So twirl is going to be the more specific verb. It's going to be the stronger verb that sparkles. So for the first one, you would circle the word twirl. Let's look at this one. We have a girl and she is talking to this pig. Which one gives a clearer picture? Called or said? Circle the one that gives you the clearer picture. The next one, we've got some kids on bumper cars, and it says hit or bump. Which one gives you a better picture? Wiggle or move. Which one gives you the better picture? Trot or go. Which one gives you the better picture? And eat or gobble. Which one gives you a better picture? At the bottom for part B, we're talking about plural nouns. We're talking about nouns in this part. We talked about verbs at the top, but we're going to talk about verbs and nouns at the bottom. So the first thing you will do is underline the verb in each sentence. And remember, the verb is the action word. My feet tap to the music. The verb would be tap because that's what it is doing. The men leap across the floor. Underline the verb. The women twirl around the room. Underline the verb. Now we're going to go back to these same sentences and we are going to circle the plural noun. And the noun is the person, place, or thing. If it's plural, it means more than one. So in the first one, we have my feet tap to the music. The plural noun is feet. Feet is plural because it's 2 feet. The men leap across the floor. Circle the plural noun. And the women twirl around the room. Circle the plural noun. Okay, when you're doing your writing, I want you to remember to use verbs that sparkle.